Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can set different ringtone for different apps in your iPhone. So let's begin the video. First thing you have to do is open settings in your iPhone and then open sound and haptics. Here you can see there are different options of ringtone, text tone, new voicemail, new mail, sent mail, etc. There is an option of ringtone at the start. You have to tap on it and change the ringtone whichever you want to ring when your iPhone receives a call. So if you want to change a text tone, for example, when you type a message, there is a typing voice or typing sound in your keyboard. You can change that sound as well. There is another option as well, new voicemail. When your iPhone receives new voicemail, the selected ringtone will notify you that your iPhone receives a new voicemail. There is another option of calendar alerts. If calendar alerts you, then you can select a particular ringtone and your iPhone notify you with that ringtone whenever the calendar alerts anything about date, time and the selected schedule you have set for something. So by following this way, you can change the different ringtones for different apps and different works in your iPhone. It will help in notifying you and alerting you that this type of app or ringtone is delivering you a message or notification. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.